Hello everyone and welcome back. Hello. So today I'm going to be doing one of those challenge videos where you create a look based off a tutorial by a YouTuber. I'm going to base this off of, if I can find it, this look right here by Sherliza Moe. Or it was in Moe, I'm not sure. So here's the actual video after this ad is over. So it's going to be based off this look right here. And when I first saw it, I thought it was like, oh my god, so gorgeous and so like something that I would really love to put on my face. So I thought, why not do a challenge video based on this? So how did it turn out? Well, here's what I did. Okay, so the first thing she's doing in this video is she's applying a really light foundation from Fenty Beauty, and I'm not gonna do that. What I'm going to do instead is actually use my usual Crayon white foundation, since I am a shironuri artist and that's what I usually wear. So I'm just going to apply that on first, if I can open it. So I'm just gonna spread this as thickly as I can over my entire face, especially since I'm breaking out. Gotta cover that shit up. Okie dokie, so I see next she applied a white highlighter to her face, so I'm going to use this eyeshadow right here from Kat Von D from the Vida Loca palette called Lyric. Now I believe she is applying Love Plus by Sugar Pill, which I do have. I have pretty much every Sugar Pill shadow, so she is applying this to mostly right above her crease and right around here, so I'm going to do that too as well. So I'm using swirling motions to really work in the color into my foundation, since I see it's kind of like not picking up very well. I don't know why. So that's not working out for me, so I'm going to switch over to this defined crease brush by Makeup Geek and see if that works better. Yeah, it definitely does work better. Also just taking a tiny amount and just slightly bringing it upwards here. Just very slightly, and just adding a little bit more shadow here, copying the tutorial. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay, it appears she's taking more of Love Plus and really intensifying the colors around here and applying some right below her lower lash line. So I'm just going to take more of Love Plus and really pack on the shadow first off. Just apply some more. Actually, I'm going to take a different brush. I'm going to use this pencil brush right here, which is from Coastal Scents. Okay, so she's taking another red color and applying it to the outer V. Actually, I think I may take All Star, which is from the Subculture palette, and add that to my outer V. So I'm just adding that to my outer V, which is basically right here and right down here. Just very gently blending that outwards. Now she's taking some Creolon, I believe it's like a water activated face paint, and lining her eyelids and her eyebrows. I don't happen to have this. I actually used to own it, but I threw it out a long time ago. So what I'm going to use is this Inglot gel liner in 79, which is a red gel liner. So just going to line my upper lash line first off. And I'm going to make a very small wing right here. Bring that in. Maybe it should be bigger. I don't know. I'm going to skip the lower part for later on, and you'll see why. I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows with the same gel liner right now. Okay, now it appears she's using a light purple shadow and just place it right in the inner corners. So I'm going to use a Kat Von D shadow. This is from their Alchemist palette. And I'm using Amethyst. This one right here. So I'm just going to apply this right in the inner corners. That is not really showing up. I got some more. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not very intense. I mean, this is a pretty color, but it's just not showing up very well. Now it appears she's applying some false lashes, which are painted red, so let me see if I can find some. First I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm taking this mascara by Soooo. It's their Petal Lash Mascara. And just coating my upper and lower lashes. Now I need to make my eyelashes red, so I'm going to use that same red gel liner and just coat my lashes with it. Now for the bottom half of my eyes. I'm taking that red gel liner and lining my waterline, and also coating my bottom lashes with it. Here it appears she's applying a reddish lipstick, that is. So I'm going to use Underage Red by Kat Von D and applying that to the middle of my lips. Then taking a brush and smoothing out the edges to give it more of a gradient effect. Then taking some leftover red shadow and just very softly going over the edges of my lips. Now as you can see right here, she's applying red freckles over her cheeks, her nose, and a little bit around her forehead. I'm actually going to use Love Plus and Duraline, which is a mixing medium. Mixing that together and adding dots all over my cheeks, my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. And with that said, this completes this makeup look. Some people may not find it very attractive, but to me I think it's an incredibly gorgeous look. Despite there being no commentary over the actual tutorial, I think I did a pretty good job. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos, of course. And I will see you later. Bye.